back to when I was happy. So take me.
Welcome to Mastering Mathematical Literacy with Bunono Stock. So today we are going to do an introduction to taxation. This question paper is derived from question 1, 2017 TPE paper, right? It's 1.2, not the whole question 1, but only 1.2. So I'm going to read the statement and we're going to do the following questions together. So the statement says, Mr. Pease earns an annual taxable income of 542,096.76 cents. That's the annual taxable income, right? And then we're given the tax table, and then 1.2.1, the first question. The first question says, write down the acronym of SARS. So this is normally the first 2-mark easy question in almost all question papers. So you must make sure that you get this mark. Every mark is precious. So it's South African Revenue Services. It's South African Revenue Services. SARS stands for South African Revenue Services. Question 1.2.2 says, write down the minimum amount of tax payable to tax bracket number 3. So you go to tax bracket number 3. What does the question say? It says, write down. You can calculate, you follow the instruction of the question, you write down. So what is the minimum amount of tax payable? So in order for you to pay tax, when you qualify to tax bracket number 3, what's the minimum amount that you need to earn in order for you to qualify to tax bracket number 3? What's the minimum amount? So you check there, it says 293,601 to 406,400, right? Those are the taxable income that you need to earn in order to, in that tax bracket. So the minimum amount got to be 293,601. 601. This is the minimum amount that you need to earn in order to qualify for tax bracket number 3. And then 1.2.3. These are level 1 or low order questions, right? That's hence its introduction to taxation. We're just introducing you to taxation. So 1.2.3 says, calculate Mr. P's average monthly taxable income. So the statement, in the statement, we are told that the annual taxable income is 542,096.76 cents. That's the annual taxable income. So the question says, calculate the average monthly annual taxable income. So we're going to take that annual taxable income, which is 542,096.76 cents, and then you're going to divide it by 12 to get the average month of taxable income, which is going to be 45,174.73. And then the last question of this video of introduction to taxation says, identify the tax bracket applicable to Mr. Ped's taxable income. So this taxable income, 542,096.76 cents, in which bracket is it applicable to? So it's applicable to tax bracket number 4. It's applicable to tax bracket number 4. Tax bracket 4. And then you get